guys, and welcome to another David Simulator. In this video, we're going to be assembling this Ferrari. And if you're actually getting ready to buy one, guys, this is actually very easy to assemble. We assembled the entire thing with no instruction. However, we're giving you guys all the instructions in this video how to assemble this car. Guys, you know what this is? This is a remote control for parents to control their kids or your dog. If you bought this for your dog, you can control your dog. If you bought this for your baby, you could strap him in, there's seat belts inside, and you could control your baby, give him the fun of his life, give him the ride of his life. Look, a fuel tank. Looks like you got a Tesla. And you plug it in over here, and you plug it into your port, and you charge it along with your Tesla. How about that? This is an electric Ferrari for your kids. Jason, aren't you excited? Okay. I must say, guys, this is about the best design and like how heavy it is, and I could feel that it's such a quality car that I've ever seen. Ferrari steering wheel that you could remove so nobody takes your car. Guys, have you ever seen a leather seat for a kid's car? Hey guys, the tires, they look very same, but they're actually very different. These are the rear tires that's got the big bolt pattern right here, and here's a release button. So you basically press the button on and you can just basically snap them on. We have a release button over here, so that's pretty much on right there. So underneath over here we got the battery box. Looks like we need to connect this wire here. Okay, so we're going to need to install the seat by adjusting this front pieces first. and then we're gonna snap it in over here. So it looks like it's just simply insert it in the front and push these tabs in. So it looks like these are the wings.
name is Serge Zmaleta. I'm 37 years old, and yes, I experienced success after buying my first home for cash. Back in 2011, I was broke, but I learned to solve problems on my own. Now, I'm helping others to solve their problems. I know what pitfalls to avoid to stay profitable in business. Need motivation to be more successful in your life? Do you have sprint or expedite or business problems? Then subscribe. Let's find creative solutions to your problems. Hit the bell notification so you don't miss any of my helpful videos.